Today we're going to talk about the TiltaMini Mini Matte Box. It's really the reason that I bought this, it's because it just looks cool. But it has many different uses between your um, protecting your lenses, right? Because you see, if you keep it down, right, it protects your lens from dust, from the sun. I mean, this is really to prevent flares when you're out in the exterior. You manage this, and then you prevent the sun from hitting in different angles, depending on the angle. You prevent the sun from hitting the lens directly, right? Now, let me show you. This is really well made. This is made out of metal, and there's a lot of parts that are made out of metal here. The matte box itself is made out of plastic, but the parts that hold it together are made out of metal. So you see how cool that is, how strong that is. I have it together with the Tilta Pro cage. So they fit him awesomely. And of course, in here, you can see the orifice in the side right here. You could put ND filters that are 4.6 by 5. I'll put the links to those filters down there. And you could put an ND filter right in there. It has these horseshoes here for different things. You could put sound. I have this level in order to make sure that the matte box is essentially leveled, right? It comes with everything you need to put it together, right? So this is how it comes. It comes in this really nice black box, right? It says Tilta Mini Matte Box, right? Mini clamp dot put dot on, right? And then here it comes with, of course, the instructions of how to put it together. I suggest you checking out a video, the tool that you need, this Allen wrench that you need to adjust it, and those different rings that you see right there. You see, there's a bunch of rings there. There you go. Those rings are the ones to adopt depending on what lens you have. You're gonna use these rings to screw on your lens. So this is the 77 millimeter ring, and it has the 28 for smaller, 82 and 72 for smaller or bigger lens. It comes also with all the parts that you're gonna need in order to adjust this to your rig or your cage, right? In my case, the way it works, and I'll show you right here. You see, I'll take it off. Right here, this button in the side, you undo it, right? You undo it, and it will. You can take it off. I don't want to do it, and it also comes with this little arm down there. You see that little arm there? This arm right here, so that you can also put affix it to the cage itself. That way, the lens is not bearing weight. You see how that works? It's perfect when you have the Cage Pro. Using this Tilta matte box is excellent when you have the Tilta cage as well, right? Because everything fits together, right? And I mean, I'm gonna say, right, I love the way my camera looks because of the matte box. I put some ND filters there sometimes, really, and this matte box lives on the camera. It stays there. I bought it. I haven't taken it off. I don't plan to take it off because it just protects my camera. It protects the lens. and it just does its job. So 100% recommend it.